Your team is automating already. Of course they are. Maybe networking is running their own scripts. Cloud and infrastructure, well, they've got sophisticated workflows in play. But other groups, and I don't want to name names, they're still figuring things out. And while automation is always net positive, siloed efforts without standardization create way more complexity than clarity. Add in the growing pressure of AI, and suddenly your automated foundation looks less like a strategy and more like a house of cards. So, what do teams need to consider if they want automation that actually sets them up for AI success? First, tool sprawl. According to S&P Global Market Intelligence 451 research, many IT teams are using dozens of tools, and over a quarter of them are juggling 50 to 100 plus. When each group is solving problems with their own DIY automation, costs balloon, complexity grows, and you're left with technical debt that's a nightmare to untangle. Even the best teams run into scalability issues when homegrown solutions pile up. That's where Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform comes in, to turn the problem of DIY sprawl into a standardized foundation. Instead of dozens of scripts and one-off fixes, teams share a single trusted platform. Less chaos, more consistency, and automation that actually scales. The second aspect to consider is AI readiness. If your teams can't provide reliable data pipelines and workflows, you're not ready to implement AI. It's just that simple. Ansible Automation Platform gives IT teams a single platform that connects the dots across cloud, infrastructure, networking, security, DevOps, and more. A standardized automation strategy with Ansible Automation Platform frees up your experts from repetitive and manual work so that they can focus on innovation, like building your AI strategy. So the question isn't if you automate, it's whether your automation is truly setting you up for AI success. To explore the research and build your own strategy, visit us online.